Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Now, in this video, guys, we're going to talk about something special, something that's not usually done, not often done, okay, even seldomly done, okay, but I want to talk about because I already have it. Okay, imagine that you have the 0.965 inch eyepieces. Those are used with toy telescopes, okay, for kids. And you happen that you want to use them, or maybe you, for any reason, the real eyepieces of your microscope are broken, okay, and their diameter here is 23 millimeters, okay, and the diameter, as we said here, is 0.965, let's say an inch, almost an inch, okay, just for the ease of talking, okay, so this diameter is almost an inch, okay. So this is bigger, this is 23 millimeters, which is less than an inch is just 25 millimeters and other fractions. Other digital fractions, okay. So now we want to use this, okay. So how are we going to do it, okay? Now there are adapters, okay, but the adapter is that we're going to start with is this one, okay. Now this is an adapter which is supposed to be inserted in a telescope, okay, like this, okay. This is a small telescope, a guide scope, so it should be like going like this, because it's this eyepiece is supposed for telescopes, okay, so I can use it like this, okay. Now in order to be used on a microscope, we have to do the following, okay. After we installed this into this eyepiece into this adapter, okay. So of course we gently turn the screw, because I don't press hard, because this is plastic, by the way. See the difference in sound? Okay. Now the first way, or the first method, is to get an adapter, which is here from the top. This is a T adapter, okay, which is from the top. Come on. This is dated, so it's written on it, okay, and this is the model number, okay. Now here from the top is M28, which is the same size for the eyepieces whose diameter is 1.25 inch, okay, but the filters, of course, in the eyepieces go from this side, okay. So for the 1.25 inch eyepiece, this size here from inside is M28, which is 28 millimeters, okay. So here, this is that place that I'm talking about, okay, which is we installed the filters for color filters, I mean the color filters for a telescope for the 1.25 inch eyepiece, and I get this and I install it like this, okay. I have another one in the back. Here it is. Okay, because I can use this with 1.25 inch eyepieces. I have lots of them, because also I do astrophotography. Okay. And then here I can either put it over here or put it over here, okay. This is on the way, okay, and this is the let's zoom at it a little bit so you can see it from near, okay. Now the other way around, which is from the ocular from here, or this tube from here, so I can use it like this is the normal way. Get this normal eyepiece, okay, for a microscope, and just insert it like this. So similarly, okay, you can get this and install it over here, okay. This one which contains the adapter, okay. I can simply use it, but as you can see, this distance has like it's too long, Okay, like instead of the eyepiece going, see the eyepiece starts from here almost, if I say, or from here. Okay, this is the glass of the eyepiece is here, okay? The lens itself. So when you put this, let's say from here, okay, till here, see how much you're gaining, the length that you gained, which is negative to you if you want to make a focus, okay? And this means that the light will travel more until it reaches here, so the resolution will be less, okay? Okay. Now, the other way around, okay, or the other way, the second way, which is shorter, okay, but this time what we're going to do is remove this this part on the top part. This contains two parts. There's one here, okay, let me zoom. Okay, there's one here, and there's this top part over here, okay, here and here, okay. Now this one holds the whole tube till the top, okay. The one at the bottom holds the whole tube to the top. So this tube can be divided in two like this. Okay, and this here can allow you to install an industrial microscope camera. Okay, and anything with what we call a C mount size diameter, which is like 25 millimeter. Okay. Now, since this, okay, here, when we remove it, it takes the M28. So what you can do is just to get from M28 to M25, okay, from 28 millimeters to 25 millimeters. So we have to get an adapter. Okay, so this is an adapter. You can find it at Astrologina. Okay. It's called from C to 1.25 inch diameter. Okay, from color filter of a telescope. Look for it. It's at Astrologina's. Okay, and open their website. You'll find it. I'll give you the link also. Okay, inshallah, after the what do you call it? After the end of the video, okay, in the description. So we're going to install this. Okay, please, I hope this time focuses. I always have a problem with focusing this. Okay, see, there are grooves over here. Okay, yeah, great. So those grooves, okay, this side here, this side here. Okay, those grooves, and there's another even here from bottom here, see? So if you screw it either way, you can just use the groove here and pull it with your finger, okay? And or push it either way, but don't push too hard and give some chance for it to come out, okay? So we can just simply screw it like this, okay? Now this time it can allow any kind of telescope, you know, those USB cameras that come for a telescope. And then we can use this. Okay, and simply install it over here. Okay. Yeah, it's on. Printed. Okay, now see the difference now, it's shorter than before, a lot, okay, by a lot, okay, so it's now, like I can even play with this part and to make it more shorter, okay, and this will allow me to, here, to have more freedom in focusing the microscope, okay, so this is how you do it. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe try just a sample how they would look like. Okay. Here this sample, this is a set of human histology samples. Okay, so we're going to use something like, this is the adrenal gland, you can see here. Okay, this little red dot, okay, is actually a tissue from the adrenal gland. This is the one that produces adrenaline. Okay, you know, for the rush of adrenaline. So this is the one that produces it. Okay, let me first focus it by myself. Then we're going to install the phone. Okay, which I'm recording from. Okay, let's see. Okay, fine. Okay, great. Yeah, the pictures are sweet. Okay, are beautiful. Okay, I have to use this. Okay, this is an adapter for the phone. Okay. By the way, it's better that I install the phone first, but let's shorten the video by pausing it a little bit. Okay, so now installing. Okay, it's too far. Okay, sweet. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Anyway, anything. It's not holding it firmly anyway. It needs an adaptation too, but this is it. Okay, so I'm holding it by my own hands. Okay. So this is the adrenal gland, using the 1-inch eyepieces. Okay. Okay. So back to our bases. Okay. That's it. This is how we were hanging the phone. You have been putting the phone here. Okay. I could have put it over here, and the resolution from here is better than here, by the way. Okay. Anyway, that's an example. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Okay, every Saturday and Wednesday evening I have a live session. If you want to ask me about anything regarding astrophotography and microscopy and computers and information technology. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.